Congratulations on your engagement. Planning a wedding has never been easier thanks to our all-inclusive bespoke digital wedding planner. Today I'm going to walk you through a few tips in terms of getting started and how to use the planner. First things first, navigation. There are over 10 different tabs throughout this document. I'd recommend using the All Sheets right in the bottom left-hand corner to navigate to the specific sheet you want to go to. Alternatively, you can scroll right or scroll left. We'd recommend using the planning timeline and checklist first. Thereafter, moving forward to your expense tracking, setting your budget, and highlighting a few key items you need to start planning for. Some of the tabs, such as the guest and RSVP manager, is quite large. A lot of information is displayed. Some of the cells, for example cell C up until J, have been grouped in a group. If you push the minus symbol, the information is a lot easier to see, and then you can expand the group. As a guideline, I'd recommend refraining from altering cells that perform automatic calculations. The guest list manager and the table assignment sheet includes formulas that shouldn't be edited. For example, if you select the table number over here, it will automatically populate on the table assignment tab. If I change this back to table number 1, Jane Scott will be replaced in table number 1. Wherever you see an arrow pointing downwards, you can click on it and select the necessary information, such as bride's family or groom family. Have you sent the save the date? Yes or no? You'll notice that some of the tabs have notes. Notes can be viewed over here, or if you take a look at the cell, you'll see a little inverted triangle in the top right-hand corner. If you hover over this, all of my notes will appear. You can edit, change, or delete these. You can also add URL links within cells or upload images. To create a link, double-click on the cell, highlight the text that you'd like to edit, hover over Insert, and click on Link, and paste your link. Alternatively, you can upload an image. Select the cell, Insert, Image, Image in cell, and then what you can do is you can make these a little bit bigger, and there you have it. Navigating through some of the sheets might be a little bit difficult because there's so much information. It's really easy to make it a little bit bigger simply by clicking over here by the zoom function or zooming out. It's completely up to you. Once you're finished filling everything out, you can either print the information or share it with family, friends, or your wedding party. To print, you'll click on File, Download as a PDF. Would recommend playing around with the page orientation, fitting to height versus fitting to width, and making the margins narrow or wide. Thereafter, you can click on Export and it will automatically save to your desktop.